Welcome back for the second half hour, Friends at 5. I'm Darcy Strickland.
And I'm Andrea Mock. A veteran in the Midlands is now able to get around town thanks to the help of two wonderful companies.
News 19's Chandler Mack has more on the vet's new ride.
To be honest with you, it's a godsend.
Alfred Jones served in the Marines for 3 years and currently calls the Midlands home. But recently, Jones has struggled to get around town since his 1994 Toyota gave out on him early last year. But thanks to a partnership between GEICO and Caliber Collision, Jones is now the owner of a fully repaired 2014 Chevy Cruze.
It gives me an opportunity to see a little bit of South Carolina. But I haven't seen a whole lot of it, but it's also a chance for me to, look for better jobs and things like that, and I thank God for that.
They're the guys who keep our country safe and enable us to live our day-to-day lives and be safe and free on a day-to-day basis. It feels great to know that it's going to change his life, and he'll also be able to help others.
So what's next for Mr. Jones?
Somebody asked me that last week. What you gonna do now? I'm gonna do the same thing. Go to work, go to church, go back home. But I may get out a little bit, go get it, like I said, go get a donut, go get a sandwich or something like that. But it lets us know that somebody's thinking about us, somebody's looking out for us. You hear a lot of people say, well, they don't do nothing for the veterans. Well, I can definitely say that they do, and like I said, I thank God for it, because I would have never thought that this day would come.
In Colombia, Chandler Mack, News 19, WLTX.
That is awesome. He's gonna go get a donut.
Yeah,
I like to
sandwich.
get a donut
right?
sometimes too.
Pretty much.
Duck donuts right here.
Living our life, go to work, go to church, come on back home.
And sometimes get a donut or some cookies. Maybe a pie every now and then.
Well, this is the second car donation that Caliber Collision has done this week, and they are hopeful to continue, that they'll be able to continue donating cars to those who are in need.
All right, well, it is a